The Form 8938 is one of the most common types of international reporting forms as part of the U.S. tax return. Similar to the FBAR, there's a lot of bad information out there, so before you file your 8938, let's go through some of the common filing mistakes. First is that you have to have financial interest in the account. So, for example, let's say that an employer, a trusted relative, someone put you on the account, but none of the money is yours and you have no interest in it, then you're not required to file the form. Second is that whether you live overseas or live in the US will determine the threshold. Unlike the FBAR that has a $10,000 threshold, or more than $10,000 threshold, the 8938 will vary depending on whether you live in the US, whether you live abroad, whether you're filing married, or whether you're filing single or separate. And third, if you live in the United States, for example, or even overseas, and you don't have to file a tax return, even if you meet the 8938 threshold, doesn't mean you have to file the return. In other words, let's say you don't have to file a return because you have no income, but you have $1 million in foreign assets. You don't have to go off and now file a Form 1040 simply because you meet the threshold if you wouldn't otherwise have had to file the form. This is different than things like the FBAR, the 3520, which you would have to file anyway.